Hello everyone. Today I am going to review another filament brand which is uh, from India, and maybe you heard the name, that is Wol3D. It is bit famous because they came to Shark Tank India, and that's how many people know about them. I bought this spool of filament couple of days back, and you can see here it is telling premium quality 2023-24. So in that time package was like this. And what is difference between other brands is like they told this is innovative spool stand design. So basically they told you can modify this package itself and can use as a spool holder. Although I could not get a chance to use, or like I don't prefer that way, but they told that this is kind of innovative and you can use it like a spool holder. So these are the steps they wrote, and basically what I understood, they told you can hold this portion like this, and you can stand this package like this, and you can use it as a spool holder by pushing some pin or something like that to here. But I never used that, and I don't recommend in that way as well. I mean, you can use normal spool holder which comes with the printer. That's all. Okay, now it was like I bought this one couple of month back, but after then recently I bought this one from Amazon. But I'm really surprised that the entire package is like changed, the design of the package. Although I prefer the previous one, it is best professional and is good looking as well, but I don't know why they changed the packaging. And they give some popular printers pictures, like this is Bambu Lab A1 mini, this is some creativity printer, and this one 11H4, and there are some lithophanes picture and some 3D printed object as well. If you see here, it is told, I mean they wrote here like premium quality 2025-26, and there are some guides how you will store your filament. It was there before as well. Other than that, there is some description, barcode and all, nothing special. Yeah, let me cut it open and we will see. I cut it open, and you can see here this one is black in color. One good thing is that this one is vacuum sealed, and while any manufacturer ships any kind of filament, they should seal it like this, the vacuum seal, and that is a very good thing. They put silica gel here as well, and they sealed it properly. Now let me cut this plastic bag, and then we will see inside. One thing is that this is normal plastic bag, but I prefer the Ziploc one. I saw there are many brands like new makers, so they provide Ziploc bag. So what will happen, let's say if you cut this packet and then if you don't store the filament properly in any dry box or anything, then it will get moisture and it may ruin. But if you provide a Ziploc packet, then even after that, uh, like normal consumers can just put the Ziploc and put some silica gel inside it, so that is a better way to store the filament. So I will recommend, or I will request to every brand to give some Ziploc bag instead of normal plastic bag. Now let me cut it open, then I will see inside. I cut the packet, and you can see here there is another layer of protection inside. So they put one plastic coverage on top of the filament. So packaging is really good here, so it is really appreciated. It is absolutely very good packaging. So even inside the vacuum seal they put some plastic packaging on top of the filament, so it will help not to get any moisture. So yeah, kudos to Wol3D that their packaging is really improved. Although I bought some filaments like 1 year back, in that time it was vacuum sealed, but it was not that much good. And look at the spooling, they improved the spooling as well. So I have some other filaments I will show you that is not properly spooled, and I mean there is a chance of tangle there, but now they improved their spooling as well, so it is proper, the spooling is very good and it is proper, so it won't get tangled that much. This black one is brand new. I just cut it open, but before that I had four more spools. Here this one is gray, which is called cement gray. You can see this one is also like very good in spooling. Similarly for green one as well. So these three like black, gray and green, these three are really good looking and their spooling is great, and all of them, actually all these five filaments, they came with vacuum seal, but the plastic wrap what they did, that only came with these three what I saw. And you can see spooling is also great here for these two, but if you see these two like pink and skin color, this one is skin color and this one is pink, if you see these two, their spooling is not great, like they are just normal spooled. And problem with these are like if you are not careful, then there is a high chance that it will get tangled and it may ruin your print later. If you see the spool structure as well, like how it looks, so I think these two spools are like in old way, these two are like in old stock or like old way to spool or somehow, and these three are like new, they improved their spooling or manufacturing process or whatever it is. So these three are like different looking and these two are different looking, and that's how you can see the difference, that their the spooling is not that much good in these two, but these three are really great. So I can say that definitely they improved their quality for packaging and spooling, so that is a really great indication. And if you are buying any Wol3D filament, I will definitely recommend to check that whether it is like new one or old one. If it is new one, it is definitely good. So like quality wise, these two are also good, like there is no complaint about the print quality or anything about that, but only complaint about these two is like it is not tangle free, but these three are really good looking and they are spooled and packaged properly. Now coming to print quality, so this black filament I just bought it, so I will test it later, but rest 4 I already tested and I am using them, I mean, quite some time. This one is pink and all of these benches are printed using my Bambu Lab A1. This pink benchy, it is looking great, and even like I printed it with 300 millimeter per second speed, you can see the quality is good. Similarly, if you go ahead with this green one, here you can see this one is also like good in quality, and if you print it in little slower it will like glossy, and if you print little in faster speed it will come as little matte. So that is normal behavior of any PLA, so there is no complaint on that. And actually this green color PLA is really good looking, I really like the color and quality as well. So among all of these 5 filament, although I didn't try the black one, but these four, among these four filaments, I can definitely tell that this green one is the best. I mean, among all 3D filaments, PLA filaments, this green one is really good looking and it feels premium. This skin color, whatever it is, like it is similar to pink one, like it is average, not as premium as green one, but these two are like average normal PLA, but their quality is like not bad, they're good only. But coming back to this cement gray, I don't know what happened. While I printed, there was lots of string. I printed in the same Bambu Lab A1 machine in the same condition, so there was lots of stringing happened with this one. So what I did, I had one filament dryer, that is Creality filament dryer. I dried my filament and tried, and there is no luck. The same way it's string, I mean there is a lot of strings. I tuned my settings, like I printed in lower temperature, like I tried from 195 to like 200, 210, 220. Like 220 there are lots of string, but if you decrease the stem temperature like 200 or something, it reduced a bit, but still there are lots of string. I mean, although like there was no issue on the functional part, but what I observed that there are lots of string, that is the observation. Other than that, it's all fine, and all these three benches, they are I mean print quality, like glossy, they are similar, and this one looks premium. Actually, this one is really nice looking and premium looking. I don't know why this one is different from this one, because these two is like old one, so I can understand that quality of these two is different, but I don't know how this one is different. Maybe I don't know. Like for these two, um, packaging and spooling, they are kind of similar, but they are not similar in terms of quality. Green one is far better than this one, and this one actually I will tell, I never saw such kind of issue in my any other filament. I don't know what happened with this particular filament. Maybe I got the faulty one or something, I am not sure, but I am really disappointed to see that it's a Wol3D filament, and this gray color filament is that much bad, like in the terms of stringing. Not, I mean, there is nothing other than the stringing. Like if you use it like functionally, then it's good, I mean there is no issue, but other than that, like, I mean, stringing wise I am a bit unhappy, that's all. Now I printed some samples as well, so they are also kind of similar. You can see this one is for skin color, uh, similarly this one is for pink. These samples are available in printables, so I downloaded it and I printed. This one is green, as I told that I like the green color the most, and this one is with gray one. So gray one is like very shiny and glossy. There is another object I printed with this green one. This yellow one is not from Wol3D filament, it is from different brand, but this green one, you can see this one is actually this green filament from Wol3D, and you can see the quality is really great here. So it really good looking and premium looking filament. uh, Definitely I'm very happy with the green one. So Wol3D should follow how they made the green one, and they should improve accordingly. This one is with the gray one. You can see the functional part, it is I mean, okay, there is no complaint, it is good, you can use them. There was lots of string and I just removed them manually by hand, but other than that, like, it is all usable, and as it is a functional part, definitely you can use this phone stand properly, and there is no issue with that. But only thing is that there are, I mean, lots of string was there and I had to remove them. Now coming to temperature tower, and this one is with gray one. You can see the condition here. Oh my god. So this temperature tower goes from 200 to 240 degrees Celsius. So you can see the, I mean, see the condition here, like there is no single temperature. I can see that there is, I mean, little bit of string or like overhang. So this bridging portion is like pathetic, and there are lots of strings, and only in like 200 it is bit improved, but other than that everywhere it is pathetic, and it is um, in both the side you can see how pathetic it is, like in all the condition. I don't know what happened to this filament only, and only this happens to that particular filament, this cement gray one. I don't know what happened. Even I decreased the temperature below or 200, like I tried with like 190 and 195. There are also like lots of string was there, so I don't know what happened for that particular gray color filament, that cement gray. Similarly I printed another temperature tower with the green color filament, you can see here. So definitely it is very good, like see the difference. If I put side by side from the same brand, I mean, maybe if anything happened they improved, I'm not sure, but look at this. So this one is with gray, this one is green, and this one is like fantastic. You can see even in 240 degrees Celsius the only few bit of like two or three strings, that's all. And overhang, like this bridge portion also you can see here, I mean very minimal sag here, I mean almost negligible sag. I mean you can see all these overhangs and bridges and stringing, in everywhere like it is improved, and in both the side. In 230 or more than 230 it is shiny, but other than that it is kind of matte because it printed on 300 millimeter per second, and obviously it is normal PLA, not high speed PLA, I know. And as it is not high speed PLA, so in 300 millimeter per second obviously it will show like this matte finish, that I know. But thing is that quality is really good looking here, so there is no stringing, there is no sagging. I mean even after like 225 there is no sagging or very little sagging, so definitely it is very good in quality. Now coming to speed tower, I printed the speed tower in skin color, but as I told that in pink color and skin color they are kind of old formula or something like that. So even in benchy there are two region, one is slow speed and one is high speed, but result is similar for both of them. Here also you can see even it is like I changed the speed from 50 to 200, but I mean shiny wise like it is almost shiny everywhere, I mean it is glossy everywhere, there is no difference. Basically in my observation what I saw, that if you print in high speed like 200 millimeter per second, and if it is not high speed PLA, then it tends to be little matte finish, and if you decrease the speed then it will go to shiny finish or like gloss finish. But here I don't know, like it is shiny everywhere. um, Maybe I have to try with the green one, and in the green one maybe it will be like in high speed it will be matte, and in low speed it will be uh, glossy. Similarly what happened in case of benchy, that there are two region, one is glossy and one is matte, and it is because of the speed. Maybe if I print this speed tower in green as well, so gradually we can see that at 200 it will be matte, and it the shine or glossiness will increase if I decrease the speed. But I don't know why this ink color and skin color. Even if you see in the benching, although there are two regions, so you can see there are two regions, but everywhere it is shiny. See the difference between green one and skin one. So in green one you can see if your speed is not that much, so it is glossy, but here it is glossy everywhere. I don't know what happened with these two, pink and skin color. What is like old formula. I printed the temperature tower with the new black filament, and here you can see the result. So it is not like the skin colored one that everywhere it is shiny. So in 200 or in a high speed you can see it is matte, and in 50 you can see how much glossy it is. So if you decrease the speed, it is, shyness of the surface is getting increased. So definitely I can tell that Wol3D improved their quality of the filament. So now coming to verdict, if I conclude, so Wol3D is renowned filament manufacturer in India. Their packaging was vacuum sealed previously as well, but now they improved, and like they wrap their filament with plastic that will definitely improve while it is being shipped to customers. It won't get any moisture. So in that way, like, they really improved their packaging quality, uh, and they improved their spooling as well. Previously, in previous filament, like here the skin color and the pink color, it was not properly spooled, but now you can see here that all this for like green one and black one, the spooling is great, and it should be like this only. So they improved the both packaging and spooling, and print quality is also like, in which price point you are getting, in that way it is good. And yeah, I am satisfied with this print quality as well, so there is no complaint on it. So definitely, like, you can consider this filament for your project, but only request I will do that while you are buying this filament, please make sure that it is in a new formula like this one, because they improved their uh, quality, and both in package quality and spooling quality, and I think they improved their material quality as well, because this green one you can see, this is very premium looking compared to this skin color and pink. So I think material wise also they improved a lot. So definitely you should go ahead with the new formula. mm, I don't recommend the old one. If you buy Wol3D filament, I will definitely recommend that you should go ahead with the new formula, because quality, packaging and spooling, everything is improved. So definitely you can go ahead with them. And only thing is that what I observed, it is bit costly other than other brand, other India filament brand. uh, Other than that, it is all fine, you can go ahead. That's all in this video. um, Thanks for watching. Bye bye.